Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best shower cleaners spray in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is RMR 86 Instant Mold and Mildew Stain Remover Spray. This powerful stain remover is incredibly effective at removing mold and mildew from the bathroom. Since it is a liquid formula, it can be sprayed directly between bathroom tiles, along grout lines and shower doors, under the sink, and more. It's also versatile enough to work on wood, vinyl, drywall, concrete, and brick surfaces. What's more, no scrubbing is required. All you need to do is spray it on the affected area, and it will kill mold and mildew on contact. It even comes in a generous 32-ounce spray bottle, so it should last you a long time. Since this cleaner contains bleach and has a fairly strong smell, it should be used in a well-ventilated area. Bleach may cause discoloration or damage to some surfaces, so it's best to test the product on a small, unnoticeable area first. If you're using the spray on a vertical surface, be sure to wipe up any runoff to avoid a mess on the floor. Number 2. Our second best pick is Kaboom Foam-Tastic Bathroom Cleaner with OxiClean. This powerful cleaning foam has stain-fighting bubbles and cuts right through soap scum, hard water, calcium, and lime stains. The color-changing formula sprays on blue and eventually turns to white, indicating that it's time to wipe it off. No hard scrubbing is required, simply remove the foam with a wet cloth or sponge, and rinse with water. Note that tough dirt and grime may require several applications or a longer contact time. Although the lemon scent makes for a more pleasant cleaning experience, this chemical cleaner should still be used in a well-ventilated area. Kaboom can be used on other bathroom surfaces, including sinks, toilets, and countertops. What makes this foaming cleaner more effective than a liquid spray, particularly on shower walls, is the thick consistency that allows it to stick to vertical surfaces, without dripping, to penetrate tough stains. Available in 19-ounce bottles, it's a bit smaller than some other options on this list and may run out faster when cleaning larger surface areas. You'll just want to keep that in mind when shopping. Number 3. Our third best pick is Bioclean Hard Water Stain Remover. This industrial strength cleaner is specially formulated to remove hard water stains, but it also works on stains caused by limescale, phosphorus, calcium, iron, and paint. The formula is biodegradable, but it is still abrasive and should only be used on surfaces that won't scratch easily. It also requires some elbow grease, but it's worth it, considering the streak-free, shiny finish it leaves in its wake. For best results, apply the cream formula with a dry microfiber cloth, and buff it away. It is available in a 23-ounce bottle, and a little goes a long way, so it should last you quite a while. It also works well with cleaning brushes, such as the ones you can attach to an electric drill for deeper cleaning. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Better Life Natural Tub and Tile Cleaner. If you're looking for an effective bathroom cleaner that is also eco-friendly, this cleaner is our top pick. Plant-based and biodegradable, this formula is a gentler option than some chemical-based cleaners out there, and it can cut through soap, scum, rust, hard water stains, and other grime without any scrubbing. Just spray it on the desired area, let it sit for a few minutes, and wipe it away. However, since it is such a gentle formula, we recommend using this for more frequent maintenance, rather than a deep clean, to remove caked-on dirt and grime. Scented with tea tree and eucalyptus oils, this cleaner leaves a pleasant smell when you're done cleaning. It can linger for a little while, so it may be best to clean with a window open if you're sensitive to smell. Available in a 32-ounce bottle, a little goes a long way with this cleaner, and it should last you quite a while. Many retailers even sell it with a refill, so you can reuse the sprayer for the second bottle once you empty the first. You can use this option all over your bathroom, since it's compatible with ceramic, porcelain, stainless steel, fiberglass, acrylic, and chrome surfaces, which is another reason why it's our top pick. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Rejuvenate Scrub-Free Soap Scum Remover. Specially formulated for glass shower doors, this type no scrub removes soap scum and other unwanted buildups. This non-abrasive cleaner won't scratch or damage surfaces, and it leaves behind a shiny, streak-free finish. In addition to glass, you can use it on ceramic tile, plastic, chrome, porcelain, and stone. Because it's so versatile, you can clean multiple items in one swoop, but note that the 24-ounce bottle will likely run out more quickly that way, too. Luckily, it is an inexpensive formula and is available at many large retailers, so you shouldn't have any problem finding a new bottle. The cleaner is easy to use and doesn't require any scrubbing or elbow grease. All you need to do is spray it on in an even layer, let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, and rinse it off thoroughly. It quickly eliminates soap scum, mineral buildup, and water spots. Users who are sensitive to strong smells will also appreciate the odorless formula. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.